Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Pavoline here. You see how that tire moves like that? Well, it's all because of that piece right there. That is called a idler arm, which is on the passenger side wheel, and my whole tire was shaking like crazy, and I was wondering why. So I got down there, I put the new one on, and we are back in business. Let me show you what I did now. So the Hummer H2 is a Chevrolet. It's a 1500 Silverado, it's a Tahoe, it's a Cadillac Escalade. So on the bottom, you're looking at basically all the same stuff. The idler arm is a common problem on all these vehicles. They all get loose. If you wonder why your vehicle's shimmying when you're down the highway, most likely those are bad. On the driver's side, you have what they call the Pitman arm, which for that one, you'll have to loosen your steering box and all that stuff to get to it, which we're going to do that next time real soon here because it looks like I got to do the other side as well. So what we did was, so we started off with taking the cotter pin and the castle nut off for starters, okay? We did a lot of WD-40 in that same area and all that. All right, so watching other videos, we were told to use that ball joint puller after getting the castle nut off to separate. So instead of using the ball joint puller, I grabbed the fork, put it in between where you see the arrow there, and started hammering away. And that was a lot easier to do than the ball joint puller. So if you look right there, it's nice and new. Got the new insert for the grease. We had to take off these two bolts up here. So really, I thought this was going to be super hard because it's an HD truck, heavy duty, and you need heavy duty tools and all that stuff. But you know what? I was done in like 45 minutes to an hour, and we had the new one on ready to go. The fork was the better use than the ball joint puller, I'll tell you that. And you definitely should use an impact when you take the 15/16 one off, when you separate the other part of the idler arm and separate that off of there. I just did a couple hits with the hammer and it came right off. And I'm telling you, we took it for a test drive. It's not shimmying anymore, so I'm very happy. And I hope this helps you too. There's a lot of videos out there to watch, but I was showing you guys the fork actually worked better than the ball joint puller. So please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope I see you guys next time on the next Hummer episode. Peace out, everybody.